Alrighty ho, no riding today, but the good thing is we've got a whole heap of rain. Have a look at this, look. Garden's gone green and beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. Right? It's been raining hard all night. And as you know, I don't ride in the rain. Get my hand out of the way there. Have I got something in my eye? No. I had something on my eye earlier. Now listen, I'm heading out to work in a sec, so I've got to leave in about 15 minutes. So I thought I'd do this quick video. Getting lots of emails off all you mechanical heart valve recipients about the noise, the ticking of the heart valve. Now I've done this on other videos, but I thought I'd quickly do this one and update it for you. The noise doesn't bother me anymore. You do get used to it. Trust me, you get used to it. And you want to hear it because it's ticking, it's working, and you're alive. And you go and ride your bike and do all those sorts of things. So it is a little bit off-putting to start with, I have to say. But you get used to it. You really do. You get used to it and it's not a drama. So as far as the noise goes, there's nothing you can do about it. It is just part of the valve. Some valves I've heard do make a louder tick than others. Mine's the St. Jude's mechanical valve. And it's got a fair old tick on it. But to be honest with you now, I just don't notice it. It doesn't faze me one little bit. So that side of it's there, that's done. Other question I get a lot is, what sort of exercise can you do to help your heart now you've got a mechanical heart valve? And I've said this on other videos, I cannot give you advice on what you can and can't do, okay? You need to go and talk to your cardiologist or your surgeon and ask them. They're the ones you need to talk to about that. I can give you no advice. And this isn't an advice video. All I can tell you is about mine and what I do, and I'll tell you, I went to see my cardiologist in December, which was about a month ago, and I go every year for a checkup. I had the full check over this time, the ultrasound, ECG, the whole kit and caboodle, and my heart is absolutely 100% perfect. He says to me, apparently I didn't realise this, but after surgery I had a slight thickening of the muscle around the heart muscle, in a certain area. I can't remember the name of it, he said, but anyway, I had this thickening, and that's a bad thing apparently. But he said to me a month ago that has completely gone now, and the whole heart, the muscle, everything is 100% back to normal. The function is absolutely 100%, and what his words to me were, whatever you're doing, just keep doing it. That's it. Just keep doing it. So, you know, and that's the thing, isn't it? Everybody's situation is different, and everyone will have an underlying issue with their heart as to why they had to have that valve replaced in the first place. And that underlying issue may determine what type of exercise you can do and how much you can exert yourself. Yeah, I'm one of the lucky ones. I came back to normal. I'm just very lucky. I don't know. Maybe I'm lucky. Maybe it's just that. I don't know. But anyway, I'm able to do what I want. I go and see my cardiologist every year. I suggest you do the same, and you get the right advice from them because they're the experts in it. I'm not an expert in this sort of stuff. Okay. All I can show you what I do is what I do. But I'm not suggesting that you follow what I do unless your surgeon or cardiologist has said, yes, you're okay to ride your bike. Yes, you're okay to lift weights or do chin-ups or do push-ups. And I do push-ups every day. I do sit-ups every day. I ride my bike on the weekends. I do a lot of that stuff. But it's all good for me. So that's it. I hope that has answered some of your questions. If you've got any more, send them out to me. I'm quite happy to reply and see how I can help you all out. But anyway, I have to get off. I've just enjoyed a nice cup of tea. It's beautiful here. raining. This is the awesome thing about Australia. It's raining. It's been raining all night, and I'm sat out here in a t-shirt and my undies having a cup of tea. How good does it get?